iOS 18.2 is out, and since it is out, people are facing different sort of problems with the battery life or of other issues like lag, stucking somewhere, and a lot. Well, I was getting a lot of comments from your side that how they can repair their iPhone as they are facing a lot of issues. Well, today in this video, I'm gonna share a really cool software that can help with your iPhone repairing. It is a software that brings lot of features packed with amazing features, repair features especially, that can help to improve the performance of your device and help to make your device run better. Well, the name of this software is mag food iOS system recovery software. Links are given in the description. Now without any further delay, let's jump to my PC and let me show you how the software works and how you can repair your iPhone. Okay, so this is Mac Food website. As you can see, the best part is it supports iOS 18, which is a really cool. It helps to fix various iOS issues, downgrade, enter or exit recovery mode, and a lot going on. As you can see, website is pretty cool. Everything is explained in a very nice way with the screenshots over here. So what you can do is there's a on to this top you can see here's a free download. You tap on this free download and the download will begin. From here you can save the file. Installation process is quite simple. I'm not gonna waste your time in the installation process. This is how the software look like over here. As you can see, though, very simple UI. iOS system repair, reset device, enter exit recovery mode, upgrade iOS device. So what you need to do is now you need to connect your iPhone with your computer. So I'm just gonna connect my iPhone over here. So I just plug it my iPhone over here, and this way I'm gonna show you how this you can do stuff over here. So if I go to the iOS system repair over here, as you can see, there are a lot of stuff going on. There are details mentioned if you're facing a device problem, device is stuck or dead, device screen has black, green, blue lines or something, sound not working, not ringing, touch screen not working, screen is stuck over here, or any you are stuck in any sort of mode. You can select that and you can start from here. Now there are two types of repair options available: standard repair and a deep repair over here. You can choose standard repair if you want. You can try this one. It can fix more than 150 iOS system problems, as you can see. Or you can also go for the deep repair over here. Just like this, there is also the best feature that I likes is about updated to the new iOS. Now, if I go to the iOS upgrade over here, this is my iPhone. This is the my current version. No firmware is showing over here because it is already on the latest version. So but if it was not on latest version, that will be shown over here, and by tapping on the download you will be able to install it, and that is same goes for the downgrade over here. Also you can reset your device over here. You can choose to standard reset or a factory reset according to your choice. If you just want to go to the default settings, you can go for the standard reset. If you want a full factory reset, you can choose this option over here. Going back from here, just like that, you can also enter or exit recovery mode. So if you are stuck on the recovery mode and not able to come out of that, just plug in your device and exit recovery mode will make this possible. So this way the software is really great. Again, the name of the software is Mac for iOS system recovery. Links are given in the description. It helps to fix more than 150 iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch system problems such as stuck Apple icon and many, many more. Well, this is all. How simple it is to use this software. Again, the links are given in the description. Check out that. And for more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.